Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing the monthly predictions, and I'm going to do two readings in this video. One is going to be the Gemini, and the other is going to be the Cancerian. So this month also, as I said last month, I'm going to combine the readings in like two or more readings in one video, so that I am able to kind of save on to some time, because I have little less time this month, but I will try to cover every aspect in the reading that I usually cover, and by next month I'll probably come back to the regular readings that I used to do for you guys. And if you like these readings, please let me know. Your feedback is always important. So let's just start with the Gemini reading. Geminis, this is the month of balance. This is the month of flexibility. This is the month where you actually balance your energies, you communicate well, you talk well, you take care of all the things, how you are kind of saying things and how you are perceiving things. Flexibility will lead to miracles this month. So this month it is very important that you take one step at one time, and you don't overanalyze the situation, or you don't overdo anything. Balance is going to be the key for this month. If we talk about your health, I would say take care of your water intake. It is going to be very important. Second, take care of your flexibility. So little bit of exercise, little bit of moving around is going to be very important for you. Otherwise, I don't see many issues as such with your health. Grounding is going to be very important. Please ground your energies this month. Also, if I talk about your money situation this month, I don't feel that there should be any worry about money, because there's Ace of Pentacle. There is money definitely flowing into your life, and that money that flows into your life is going to give you an ability to invest also, so that this can actually help you grow more money further. So that is why money is going to be a good flow in this month for you. So there shouldn't be any worry about money as such. If you want to invest your money somewhere, you can do that also this month, but be a little flexible with it. Don't do it the way you've been doing it earlier. You can actually change or apply something new, or figure out something new that you want to invest in. If we talk about your career, from the career perspective, I feel that yes, there is definitely progress, there is definitely moving ahead, but the movement is going to be slow. So you will have to take one step at a time. Whether it is your business, whether it is your job, it is going to be movement, but slow movement, and you'll have to be more flexible. So if you are in your job or in your business, there are certain decisions that you need to do, which you need to take, which you have not taken earlier. Doesn't mean that you will never take those decisions. So don't be rigid this month. Don't be like, okay, things will be happening in this way only, I do things like this only. Don't get into that rigid stances. The more flexible you are, the more possibility of miracles will you be attracting. So that is why be flexible in your approach. I see some positive messages coming your way. I see some opportunities also coming your way. If you keep yourself balanced and move step by step, you will see things working out beautifully well for you. We talk about your relationships. New relationships, yes, possibility of new relationships stepping into your life, possibility of communications from old relationships coming back to your life. Also, your cards are somewhere saying that for relationships to work out, again, it is going to be very important that you are balanced in your communication. It is very important that you speak from more compassionate point of view, rather than being a little rigid or coming across as you know everything. The more yielding you are, the more flexible you are, the more results you will get, the more you will see the miracles happening. So relationship wise, new relationships can come, old relationships will get better. The only thing is flexibility is important. Pregnancy, if you are trying for that, I see cards positive for that as well. So this month the cards are very positive for you. There is nothing to be majorly being worried about. If we talk about your soul growth, the cards are saying that believe in yourself, meditate, balance your energies, ground your energies, and you will see growth happening. You will see your soul growing. You will actually experience miracles, because there is a card, this beautiful cards of surrender to miracles. It says be open to miracles occurring in your life. Feel and know that these events are real. Let go of any resistance and banish any doubt that miracles can happen. So absolutely miracles can happen in your life. Believe in miracles. When you believe in miracles, you see miracles happening. I'm going to read this card out to you, number 19. It's a and this opened like the first page I touch is this card that is yours. It's number 19. 9 plus 1 is number 10. It's a card of new beginning and endings. Now I'm going to read out all the messages that this card gives to you. So the first message is the oracle message. That's a generic message that you have. The card says a tree's roots are the solid a tree's roots are solidly planted in the ground, yet its branches can bend in a hurricane, whereas a rigid structure like a building would come crashing down. Consider how trees remain supple and secure when everything around it may be shambles. This is how you need to be now, willing to learn new things, teachable, malleable, yet firmly grounding in who you are. Common sense is important, but so is an open mind. Stay curious, stay open, stay aware. At this time, others will be more flexible with you too. So this is the time for flexibility, and that's what I see. Like your temperance card, the 8 of wands card, ace of pentacle, miracles, everything. There's water there. Everything is about flexibility. There are dolphins here. Dolphins are very, very flexible. So everything is about flexibility. The more flexible you are, you need to be grounded, because the card says that you need to be grounded. So your energies has to be firm but yet flexible, so that you are able to kind of see things in a more open-minded way. For relationships, the card is saying, in every relationship, it's important to be open to new experiences and learning new things. Letting go of rigidity is what's required right now. You don't always have to be right all the time, do you? It's okay to come to a happy compromise. You can still get your needs met. It's a beautiful day when you meet halfway. The appearance of this card in a reading could also signal that you have met someone new who may not be your type, but who will turn out to be so special that you can easily release your old ideas about what sort of partner is right for you. Be flexible. You will be happy you made that choice. So yes, so it feels like if a new relationship is coming in your way and you think that the person is not like who I would want, like my checklist is not met with this person, be flexible and you will be surprised. And in your old relationships, try to meet people halfway, try to balance the energies. The prosperity message or career message for you is, even when you have clear vision of how you are going to manifest something, what it will look like, who will share in it, and what will then be available to you, you still need to relax and open up to other possibilities. Spirit may have much better plans for you. It could be a job you hadn't thought of, a new source of money, or some other opportunity that eluded your imagination. Be flexible and remind yourself, this or something better manifest for me now. Then be willing to bend a little. Enjoy the miraculous results. So miracles are already on your cards, and if something is not working out exactly how you want it to work, be a little flexible. Let things happen. Keep yourself grounded and you will see miracles happening. The protection message is basically something that you need to know and understand and not really do this month. When you or someone else becomes too rigid, you lose the access to growth and untapped potential and find yourself in as us versus them scenario. Loosen up, open your mind and heart, and see if a more flexible approach feels better. Rigidity will set you up for a fight where there are only losers and no winners. Could you find a way to bring about a result that is mutually beneficial? Meet up middle. Spirit makes a great mediator. So your cards are very, very clear that this month you need to have flexibility. Things are going to happen. Miracles are going to happen. If I give you a number is going to be number 1. And the chakra is the base chakra, the root chakra this month. Take care of your root chakra. Like do the meditation for your root chakra. Balance your energies. Red color is going to be very good for you. And be as flexible as you can, but stand your ground. So grounding, don't miss grounding this month. Practice grounding. It is going to be very, very helpful for you. The link is there in the description box. So this is for Gemini, and if you like the video, please share it with everyone, and if you find the video useful, then please subscribe the channel as well. So let's come to the Cancerian reading. Cancerians, this month is the month where so it feels like Cancerians, you are into this energy this month that things are not working out, they don't work out, I don't want to go out there, I'm stuck into my own situation, there is nothing that is who understands me, there is no one who understands me, people don't understand me, I don't fit in anywhere. So those kind of thoughts it feels like they are going to be coming in your mind over and over again. And this is the month not to put yourself into this situation, not to be like into that zone where you are alone, where you are only kind of crying, or you're only trying to make your heart feel better, because this is the month of creativity. This is the month for you to understand that the more you believe in yourself, the better it becomes. Other people don't have to understand you or respond to you in the way you want them to respond. When you understand yourself, that's more than enough, and it actually flows out as well. So this is the message of this month that is very important for you guys. This is the month where I see communications happening. I see creativity becoming very good. I see possibilities opening up. The only problem that I see this month is you might just not look at anything. So you might be into your zone, into your box, into your cave, and not looking at anything. This is the month which can actually give you a lot if you open that energy up and you don't get into your own box or into your own cave. So be open, be responsible. Know that everyone doesn't have to understand you the way you understand yourself, and work on your creativity. If I talk about your health, you need to take care of your health undoubtedly. You need to give yourself a little rest, but more than a physical rest, I think it's a emotional and a mental rest that is required. So practice healings for if you can, practice white light healing. There are healing videos on my channel, you can use that as well. If we talk about your career, I would say opportunities would come, but there is a possibility that you might not look at those opportunities because you are into your own zone. So get out of that zone. The creativity is at its highest. Use that creativity. Use this time that you have alone to use that creativity and take it to another level and actually get benefited from it. So be creative this month, whether it is your business, whether it is your own work, whether it is your job, whatever you are doing, or if you don't have a job, be very, very open to receiving the communications, because you might get something. Don't miss any of your communications and work on your creativity. Your creative energy is going to give you good results. So this month, don't kind of shut down yourself. If we talk about your relationships, again, the same kind of zone I see in relationships, that something happens and you listen to something, somebody tells you something, you don't respond to that person then and there. You just think that person doesn't understand me. You don't communicate. You have to communicate. You have to communicate, and you have to heal your heart as well. You have to understand that everyone has a different zone. They're learning their lessons. You are learning your lessons. If you actually let go of this pattern where you so get impacted by other people and their emotions, you will actually see your relationships working beautifully well for you. This is the month where you work on your relationship with yourself. That's the first mantra this month for you. Pregnancy, I wouldn't advise this month. New relationships, I would say that they might come, but you will have to know whether you want to go there or not. Rather, you heal yourself first. Spiritually also, if I talk about spiritual growth, I would say that this is the month where you have to heal yourself from within yourself. Healing your heart is very important. So heart chakra is the chakra of this month for you. Number of the month, I would say number 3 for you, because you have to connect with your own self, your soul, your body, and the divine. So all 3 has to be combined this month together, and that's why number 3 is very important number for you this month. The surrender message for you this month is surrender. Let your imagination soar. Stay open to all creative ideas and how to pursue a dream or solve a problem. The more this month you are problem oriented, the more problems you will face. The more you are solution oriented, the more solutions you will have. This month, everything depends upon how you look at life. I've taken out an extra message for you, which is unicorn card. The card is Archangel Gabriel. It says call in the pure white light, and this is again number 3. This is number 39. So altogether it comes to number 3. So that is why this is the month where you have to actually balance your energy so that angels can connect with you and they can help you move forward and heal. I'm going to read this message for you for the card Orphaned, and this will cover all aspects of your life. So this is the card number 5, and somewhere 5 is like this inner struggle that you put on with your own self, which you have to stop doing now. The oracle message is, we were all meant to have connections with other people within our families, society, and the larger culture. No man is an island, and it's important to recognize when being a part of rather than separate from is essential for your well-being. The issue at hand is you need to find where you fit. Be true to your core truths and values. Perhaps you no longer get identify with the group or community the way you did before and need to find a new situation. You might be feeling a deep sense of loss or confusion. Address the need for belonging and know that you will find your place with others of like mind and spirit. It's okay to let go of the pressure to fit in. Not everyone will understand you. It's time to move on. So it's time to not really try to fit into a particular group or particular people or make them understand you. It's time when you move on. It's time when you heal yourself. It's time when you know that everyone has that kind of surrounding and they get to them when they are healed inside. Outside is just a reflection of our inside. A relationship message. As you shift and evolve and commit to your own growth, you long for support but may be disappointed and hurt by others who are not providing what you feel you deserve. Perhaps you are drifting away from this relationship because you are in a different stage of personal growth. Perhaps you are in a new relationship and discovering that you don't share the same values and beliefs, so you feel left out, unable to get to an intimate place of safety and belonging. Take heart, as Spirit knows you and loves you and will steer you in the direction of those who accept you as you are without artifice or agendas. Don't compromise yourself to belong. It won't be worth the price. That is why this is the month where you don't have to push yourself into relationships also. But at the same time, one thing that I would tell you is that it is very important to understand that every person is different person. You can't make the other person think the way you want the other person to think or the way you think, and the other person cannot do the same to you. When we accept each other is when we actually grow and when we actually flow. At times this has a very important message, that at times we think that we deserve something, and when we think we deserve something and we don't get it from the other person, we feel disappointed. But what you deserve, you can give yourself that. So don't expect it from other people. Your prosperity message or career message. This card reminds you that you can't be all things for all people. You are not going to be popular with everyone, and that has to be okay with you. Be clear about your mission, your brand, your work persona, and your contribution to the world, as these must be based on what you authentically have to offer, not something you think will sell or you perceive they may want. You will attract abundance by being completely yourself. Stay in your own lane. That's where you will shine and where you will experience prosperity. So you don't have to try to be everything for everyone, do everything for everyone. You have to be in your zone. It is very important for you, and do things that you need to do, not how people want you to do things. Protection message. Now this is a very important message and you need to be listening to it very carefully. The card says the shadow side of this card speaks to the essence of abandonment. Perhaps you feel a need to remain apart because intimacy is too threatening. It also warns against creating inappropriate family structures in order to conceal old wounds. It's time to address the unhealthy alliances you have formed and make a decision to heal the past. You will not be abandoned by the world if you claim yourself as whole. Not all relationships are dysfunctional, and not all of them will disappoint you. Don't abandon yourself. You can connect to others in a healthy way once you recognize your patterns and consciously choose to interrupt them. Life wants to love you, let it. So whatever patterns that you have, whatever things that are repeatedly happening in your life, whatever things that you completely feel like this because of, it is time to heal them. It is time to let go of them. You can practice a let go exercise. I'll share the link in the description box. You can practice a thank you exercise that will help you release and release whatever is pulling you back this month. This month has a huge possibility of you getting into new creativity, new zone, new life, purely healed, connected with your higher self. Please let this month do that to you. I hope this helps you. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write I want my reading. I will share my number, will take it forward from there. If you like the video, please share it with everyone and subscribe the channel. Also, there are a lot of videos that I've recently done which can help you understand about COVID and about 5G and about whatever, the theories, the conspiracy theories that are moving around. It can help you understand a little bit about that and let go of that fear that is inside you. So I hope this helps you. Thank you so much. Do leave your feedback. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.